This is one of the hats that I sell in my store, okay? This is an inside joke. Not everybody knows it. If you know it, you know it. If you don't, you don't. Okay, so I did another video where I boiled my stepfather's Tilly hat in coffee to make it less khaki and more like desert, right? And it's a pretty solid color that you get. You get like a darker shade of tan, which is just not so obvious if you're trying to kind of blend in, right? You don't want something that's gonna like reflect light easily. On this one, I'm gonna opt for something a little more wild. Coffee from Costco, and we want to make this mixture pretty thick at this time because I'm not going for something subtle. So we're going to use these MRE spoons to shovel in a very healthy amount of coffee, and I'm not using instant coffee this time because I want it to be a pretty profound dark staining process, and I'm trying to turn this bowl of water into like mud. To get the real effect that you want, it has to be kind of thick and it has to be kind of saturated. So, but you don't want to get it too thick too fast. So you do want to get it kind of like this at first. Otherwise it'll start to get clumpy. You don't want this to get clumpy on you, okay? If it gets clumpy, it'll get impossible to stir and you'll just make a big huge mess, which I'm kind of doing right now. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done this that many times. But I do this on several pieces of gear that I have. I use this, and I use green Sharpie markers to take areas of gear that, to detail the camouflage stuff, okay? This is real Florida militia guy stuff. I'll put this to the other camera so you can see. You see the cap to this has camo, and I want you to see the hose. The hose to this thing is not solid tan. It has some texture to it, okay? So this is an example of some serious Fieldcraft. You can see that I've detailed the solid tan sections of this. It's not just solid tan. In order to have crazy Florida man level camouflage stuff, you need to have like texturing. You can't have any parts of your gear that are like solid color at all. Everything needs to have a shape breakup to it. And just start kind of smearing in the areas you want it, right? And that's one way you can do it, is just kind of start smearing, and you smear the hat random areas, random regions, and you want kind of slightly wide regions, slightly small regions, and you're going to make a little bit of a mess that you have to clean up. But the good thing about coffee is insects don't like coffee. So you're not doing anything that's really going to attract insects. It's not like we're using chocolate or something, you know what I mean? This is actually going to repel insects, and it's going to, you know, like there's nothing inherently toxic or bad for you about coffee. But this is kind of what you do, and I'm going to try to avoid the design, or I'm going to go light on the design perhaps, because I don't want to obscure my design to where you can't see it. But that is something you kind of got to be aware of. Like if you got a design on the hat that you don't want like hurt by this process, you got to kind of go around it a little bit. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out the merch that I sell. I sell some pretty good stuff. See you on the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off.